Good morning, students. Last class we have discussed what is the definition of OBST and how to construct OBST in theoretically. So now we go for example how to construct OBST for the given values. See, for example, to construct OBST for the n equal to 4, that is the values of a1, a2, a3 equal to do, if, int, while, and the values of the p's and q's are given as 3, 3, 1, 1, and the q of 0 is to 4 equal to 2, 3, 1, 1, 1. So now we go for how to construct OBST for the given values. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, initially you can say W00, C00, R00, W11, C00, R00, W22, C22, R22, W33, C33, R33, W44, C44, R44. Okay, next W01, C01, R C01, R01, W02, W12, C12, R12. Next, W23, C23, R23, W34, C34, R34. The next, W02, C02, R02, W13, C13, R13, so W24, C24, R24, W03, C03, R03, W14, C14, R14, W04, C04, R04. So now we have to construct these values, then we construct optimal binary search tree. Okay. See, first of all, initially W00, W11, W22, W33, W44. See, initially W of I comma I equal to Q of I. Initially you can assign W of I comma I equal to Q of I. See, Q of I means these are values of Q of 0 2, Q of 1 3, Q of 2 1, Q of 3 1, Q of 4 1. So initially you can assign the values 2, 3, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Next, C of initially C of I comma I equal to 0. Initial of R of I comma I equal to 0. So initially we assign W of I comma I equal to Q of I, C of I comma I equal to 0, R of I comma I equal to 0. See, C of 0 0 equal to initially 0 0 indicates 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, initially W of I comma I equal to Q of I, C of I comma I equal to 0, R of I comma I equal to 0. Okay, now we construct W of 0 1. See, W of 0 1, it means of double of I comma j equal to, that is P of j plus Q of j plus W of I comma j minus 1. So we construct W of I comma j equal to, that is the formula of P of j plus Q of j plus W of I comma j minus 1. See, first we go for the W of 0 1. See, W of 0 comma 1 equal to, this is I, it is called j. So I equal to 0, j equal to 1. See, P of j, that is P of 1 plus Q of 1 plus W of 0 comma 1 minus 1, that is 0. See, P of 1 equal to, the values are given, P of 1 is to 4, 3 comma 1 comma 1. See, P of 1 equal to 3 plus Q of 1 equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, we have assigned. So 3 plus W of 0 comma 0 equal to initially 2. Okay. So that equal to W of 0 1 equal to 8. See, indicate W of 0 1 equal to 8. Okay. Now we go for W of 1 2. W of 1 comma 2 equal to P of j plus Q of j plus W of I comma j minus 1, that is P of 1 plus Q of 2 plus W of 1 comma 2 minus 1. Okay, see, P of 1 equal to 3 plus Q of 2 equal to 1 plus W of 1 equal to 1 comma 1 equal to 3, that equal to 7. Okay, see, W of 1 2 equal to 7. Next we construct W of 2 3. W of 2 comma 3, that equal to P of 2 plus Q of 3 plus W of 2 comma 3 minus 1, that is W of 2 comma 2. So P of 2 equal to 3 plus Q of 3 1 plus W of 2 comma 2 equal to 1, that equal to 5. So W23 equal to 5. 2 3 Q of 3 1 W of 2 comma 2. Okay. Now for construct W of 3 4. P of P of 3 is 1, that equal to 3, like P of j, not P of I. So W of 3 4. P of 4 plus P of 4 plus Q of 4 plus W of 3 comma 4 minus 1, that is P of 4 equal to 1 plus Q of 4 equal to 1 plus W of 3 comma 3 equal to 1, that equal to 3. Okay. See. Next we construct W02. W of 0 comma 2 equal to P of 2 plus Q of 2 plus W of 0 comma 2 minus 1, that equal to P of 2 equal to 3 plus Q of 2 equal to 1 plus W of 0 comma 1, that equal to 3 plus 1 plus W01 equal to 8. that equal to 12. Okay, W of 0 to equal to the value is 12. Next we consider W13. W of 1 comma 3 equal to P of 3 plus Q of 3 plus W of 1 comma 3 minus 1, that equal to P of 3 equal to 1 plus Q of 3 equal to 1 plus W of 1 comma 2, that equal to 1 plus W of 1 2 equal to 7, that equal to 9. Okay. Next we consider W24. W of 2 comma 4, that equal to P of 4 plus Q of 4 plus W of 2 comma 4 minus 1, that equal to P of 4 equal to 1 plus Q of 4 equal to 1 plus W of 2 comma 3. W of 2 comma 3 equal to 3, that equal to 5. So W24 equal to 5. Okay. Next we consider W03. Next we consider W of 0 comma 3 equal to P of 3 plus Q of 3 plus W of 0 comma 3 minus 1, that equal to P of 3 equal to 1 plus Q of 3 equal to 1 plus W of 0 comma 2, that equal to 1 plus W of 0 to equal to 12, that equal to 14. Okay, so W of 03 equal to 14. Now we consider W14. W of 1 comma 4 equal to P of 4 plus Q of 4 plus W of 1 comma 4 minus 1, that is P of 4 equal to 1 plus Q of 4 equal to 1 plus W of 1 comma 3, that equal to 1 plus W13 equal to 9, that equal to 11. See, W14 equal to 11. Okay, now we construct W04. So W of 0 comma 4 equal to P of 4 plus Q of 4 plus W of 0 comma 4 minus 1, that equal to 1 plus W of 03. 0 comma 3 equal to 14, that equal to 16. So W of 0 comma 4 equal to, the value is 16. Okay, so the values of W's are completed. Now we construct C01. So C of I comma j equal to min I less than k less than or equal to j, C of I comma k minus 1 plus C of k comma j plus W of I comma j. Using these formula we consider the C values. Okay, so first we go for the C01. C of 0 comma 1 equal to min I is 0 less than k less than or equal to 1. Then C of I comma k minus 1, I equal to 0 comma. So how to assign the k value? See, the condition is 0 less than k less than or equal to 1. So which value we can assign the k value, it will be satisfy this condition. Okay, so which value we can assign the k, then these condition will be satisfied. That value we can assign the k value. Okay, see, 0 less than 0 less than or equal to 1. It is not satisfied. That is 0 less than 0 will be not satisfied. So now we go for the next value. 0 less than 1. 0 less than 1 is satisfied and 1 less than or equal to 1 is also satisfied. So we can assign k equal to 1. Okay. C of 0 comma 1 minus 1 plus C of 1 comma 1 plus W of 0 comma 1, that equal to C of 0 comma 0 initially 0 plus C of 1 comma 1 0 plus W01 equal to 8. So that equal to 8. Okay. So C01 equal to 8. So k equal to 1. So k equal to 1 when Rij equal to k, then R01 equal to 1. Now we go for C12. C of 1 comma 2, that equal to min 1 less than k less than or equal to 2, then C of I 1 comma k 2 minus 2 plus C of k is 2 comma j 2 plus W of 1 comma 2, that equal to C of 1 comma 0. C of 1 comma 1 equal to initially 0 plus C of 2 to 0 plus W of 1 2 equal to 7, that equal to 7. So C of 1 2 equal to 7 when k equal to 2, that equal to 2, k equal to 2. Next we construct C of 2 3. So min 2 less than k less than or equal to 3, C of 2 comma 3 minus 1 plus C of 3 comma k value 3 comma 3 plus W of 2 comma 3, that equal to 2 comma 2 0 plus 0 plus W of 2 3 equal to 3, that equal to 3 when k equal to 3. C2 3 equal to 3, k equal to 3. So now we construct C of 3 comma 4, that equal to min 3 less than k less than or equal to 4. So C of I is 3 comma 4 minus 1 plus C of 4 comma 4 plus W of 3 comma 4, that is equal to 3 3 0 plus 0 plus W of 3 4 equal to 3, that equal to 3. C 3 4 equal to 3 when k equal to 4, equal to 4. Now we construct C02. C of 0 comma 2. See, min 0 less than k less than or equal to 2. Here see, 0 less than k, it will be satisfied. 0 less than 1, 0 less than 2. So, two values are satisfied for the less than or equal to 2. Okay. Likewise, k equal to 1, k equal to 2. Okay. See, C of I 0 comma 1 minus 1 plus C of 1 comma 2 is one condition. When k equal to 1, the next condition k equal to 2, that is C of 0 comma 2 minus 1 plus C of 2 comma 2 plus W of 0 comma 2, that equal to min C of 0 comma 0 plus C of 1 comma 2 comma C of 0 comma 1 plus C of 2 comma 2 plus W of 0 comma 2, that equal to min C of 0 0 0 plus C of 1 2 equal to 7 comma C of 0 1 8 plus 0 plus W of 0 2 12. See here, min of 7 comma 8, which is the minimum? 7 is the minimum. Then 7 plus 12 equal to 19 when k equal to 1, because k equal to 1 is the minimum value, like k equal to 1 is 7, when you have taken k equal to, it is equal to 8, so which is the minimum? 7 is the minimum, then k equal to 1. See, C0t equal to 19, R0t equal to 1. Okay. Next we go for the C of 1 comma 3. C of 1 comma 3, that equal to min 1 less than k less than or equal to 3. See, 1 less than k less than or equal to 3 satisfied. K equal to 2 comma 3 also, that is 1 less than 2 less than or equal to 3 satisfied. 1 less than 3 less than or equal to 3 also satisfied. Okay. See, C of I 1 comma 2 minus 1 plus C of k 2 comma 3 comma C of 1 comma 3 minus 1 plus C of 3 comma 3 plus W of 1 comma 3, that equal to min C of 1 comma 1 plus C of 2 comma 3 comma C of 1 comma 2 plus C of 3 comma 3 plus W of 1 comma 3, that equal to min C of 1 1 0 plus C 2 3 equal to 3 comma C 1 2 7 plus 0 plus W of 1 3 9, that equal to minimum is 3 plus 9, that equal to 12 when k equal to 2. So C of 1 3 equal to 12 when k equal to 2. That is 12, R03 is equal to 2. So now we construct C24. Min 2 less than k less than or equal to 4. So 2 less than k, that is equal to k equal to, we have take 3 comma 4. 2 less than 3 less than or equal to k, 2 less than 4 less than or equal to 4. Two values are satisfied. See, C of 2 comma 3 minus 1 plus C of 3 comma 4 comma C of 2 comma 4 minus 1 plus C of 4 comma 4 plus W of 2 comma 4, that equal to min C of 2 comma 2 plus C of 3 comma 4 comma C of 2 comma 3 plus C of 4 comma 4 plus W of 2 comma 4, that equal to min 0 plus C34 3 comma 233 plus 0 plus W24, 5. That equal to 3. Both are minimum. 3. When C k equal to 3 equal to minimum, when k equal to 4 equal to minimum. In that way, we can take any value. K equal to what? K equal to 4. So 3 plus 5, that equal to 8. When k equal to 3 comma 3 or 4. See. 2 4 equal to 8 equal to 3 or 4. Okay. Likewise, we construct C03, C14 and C04. Okay, it is 25, 19, then C04 equal to 32. When R03 equal to 2, R04 equal to 2. Likewise, we construct C03, C14 and C04. Okay. So now, how to construct a particular binary tree using of these values? See. From the table of C of 0, 4 equal to 32. See, C of 0, 4 equal to 32 is the minimum cost of from binary search tree with root node that is R04 equal to 2. Therefore, the resultant BST equal to, so R04 equal to 2. See, the given values are A1, A2, A3, A4. That is like as 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is the second one? If. So if is the root node. See, if is the root node. Okay, now we construct left subtree and right subtree. So we can construct left subtree that equal to Rik minus 1, that equal to Ri equal to 0, K equal to 2, 1, R equal to 0, 1, R equal to 0, 1 equal to 1. So 1 is the subtree, that equal to do. That is 1 is do. Then construct right subtree, that equal to R Kj. So likewise, that equal to R K equal to 2, J equal to 4, R 2, 4 equal to 3. That is integer I and T. Then likewise we construct left subtree of next one is Y, W H I L E. So likewise we construct optimal binary search tree using these values. Okay. Whenever go for the table, C of 04 equal to 32 is the minimum cost of from the given binary search tree, and with the root node is R04 equal to 2. 2 is here if is the root node. In that way we construct left subtree and right subtree. When go for the left subtree, that is Rik minus 1 is the condition, and right subtree we can construct Rkj, that equal to R24. Likewise we construct a binary search, like optimal binary search tree. Okay, thank you.